Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're focusing on the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This is the C5 and this applies for both the Saloon and the Avant. And in this particular video we're going to be focusing on how to remove your indicator stalk, which also may have your cruise control function on it as well if you have that option fitted. So that's this stalk right here, so let's get started. Okay, so looking at the indicator stalk right here, yours may or may not have a cruise control depending on what options you've got fitted to your car. Obviously, as you can imagine, we've got to do quite a lot of strip down work to actually get to this point right here. To get to this point we need to remove the airbag, then your steering wheel, then your upper and your lower, your lower then your upper steering wheel cowl, and you've got to remove your clock spring, and then you've also got to remove your wiper stalk as well. So it's quite a bit of strip down work, unfortunately. It doesn't take that long. None of the jobs are particularly big or difficult, and we've actually already recorded videos for you on how to remove all of those parts. So I'll add links for you below this video on YouTube in the information section. So anything you're uncertain of, go down and check those videos out. Come back when you're at this stage and we'll show you how to remove this stalk. So first thing we're going to do is it's got a big electrical connector on the back there. That electrical connector doesn't tend to have any little kind of barbed bits, you know, like little clips that are holding it on. It just pushes and snaps into place. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to grab the whole thing and give it a bit of a wobble. Yeah, there it goes. And as you can see, that will. It is a big connector. Like I said, there's no clips or anything that you need to kind of worry about. You can literally just pull the whole thing straight off. So get that removed and put that to one side, and then we can focus on the next stage. So next up, if we look at the this kind of plastic section, all this comes off with the stalk itself, and you've got this metal band down at the bottom, and you've got this screw. It's got a little hex screw in there, and basically this is just held on with compression. So what we need to do is slacken this screw off, and that will release the pressure on this metal strap, and that will allow the plastic bit to slide off the steering column. So we'll do that now. Like so, and as you can see, the whole thing's now nice and loose, and they're ready to drive forward. So now ready to pull this whole thing off of the steering column. We do have another electrical connector on the back, a smaller one, so you want to be careful when you pull this forward. Give it a bit of a wobble, draw the whole thing forward like so, and that's going to give us to the access to the rear there, where we can attack this second electrical connector. So as you can see, we've got the usual little security kind of tab there. Press that down, give that a wobble, that'll come out like so, and that is your indicator and or cruise control stalk removed from the car.